Okay, hi guys. We are on week 7, so we are almost done with class. So I hope you have had a great time with this class and learned a lot in the orientation here about what the major is like as we are coming to a close. So I want to do a quick video. I'm actually headed off to our Psych-Hi induction. So I think I mentioned that in last week's video. So if you have questions about that, let me know. All right, so this week your discussion board will be on doing a mock interview. So this is important for internship purposes and just down the road looking for jobs. Most of you, I think, are working in the field, so you've probably already had interviews, but it's never too late to brush up on those skills. So work on interviewing, asking questions, have somebody do a mock interview with you, and then talk about like what did it feel like? Do you feel confident in what you're talking about? Are there areas that you need to strengthen? And then, so for the discussion forum, share your experiences. Let me know. If you want, take a video. You can send me a link, whatever. But you don't have to. It's more like the process of it and what did it feel like and what are areas that you feel like you need to improve. Here on campus, we have career services, and they do offer mock interviews that you can schedule. So that's something that you could do right here on campus. Okay, so reading, doing your annotated bibliographies, you guys are doing a great job with that. Make sure that you are doing your citations and your references from the actual book. So you should have 4 references listed, and it should be each individual author, and then using the format on page 202 of your APA manual. And then the last thing is to write your own CV or resume. In psychology, we generally use the word CV, which is a curriculum vitae. And so I want you to have that ready, because that's something that when you are looking for internship, they will probably want to see. So I've given you some examples, some links of how it could look. So use those as a template. And then I want you to submit a plan of how you think you're going to get your internship hours completed. So again, you have the course of your degree to get those hours done. So I want you to come up with a general plan, even if it's not 100% specific, but how are you going to get those hours done over the course of your time with us? So that's about it. Kind of looking ahead till next week. The last major thing that you need to do is your portfolio. And so you want to, I know some of you kind of, that first time it was really kind of rough. Maybe the picture wasn't great or you didn't add much to it. This time it should be complete as far as this course. So anything that you put in there, maybe a writing sample, take one of your reflections that you did well on, or a paper if you did well on that. Something that if you were tomorrow to go look for a job or an internship, you could say, hey, here, check out my portfolio. This tells you a little bit about me. So, and then each course you will add to it. So it's something that will go with you. Let me just check and see. And then the last part is also some ethics. So I put on there the principles of ethics for APA. So really important that we look at that area of ethics and do that final case study. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and have a great week. Thanks.